Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to change your domain name and WordPress, and it will be really quick and simple. So first of all, what you have to do is go to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there you will find this page. Now what you'll have to do is go into your settings, but first let me explain for those who doesn't know how to open this dashboard. You can just go to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and it will be open something like that. So it will be like that. What you have to do here is put your username or email and password. For those who doesn't have an account already, I've already made a full video about how to make your first website and how to interact with all of these sections and to make yourself familiar with them. So now what you will have to do is go to settings, and from settings you will be able to change this from here. Of course, if you don't have for me, I'm not having the chance to change it because I have like this website on a local host, so that is like a local host IP. But for you guys, if you have a domain name, you can change it from here. That's in case you were having a WordPress version like mine. If you have the newest version of WordPress, somewhere, like if you go to dashboard, let's open it again, and you have the free trial. Normally it will show up for you here a button for you to go premium. After you click on that button, you will be able to swap and change a domain name by buying a domain name from WordPress services. Of course, you can do that also by going to another service like GoDaddy or whatever the service is, and from there you can buy a domain name and set up a WordPress website from that website. So these are the three methods that can be making you able to change your domain name in your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.